Without ever hiring developers, without waiting months for them to deliver, and without ever programming yourself. There is nothing for you to set up, configure, or any coding involved. No website, payment processor, or hosting required either. Use for yourself or clients, ProfitCode can build cloud apps, mobile apps, desktop software, WordPress plugins, and commercial licenses already built in. ProfitCode builds real apps that you can publish on our built-in store, launch on WarriorPlus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, and even sell custom projects to clients. That includes customers ranging from S&P 500 companies, to local businesses, to mom and pop stores, to online entrepreneurs, and even newbies just starting out. Let's face the truth, you already know you should be selling your own software products. It's been proven to be the #1 single best way to a passive income for years to come. Now imagine if you could start creating unlimited unique software apps within minutes. But without ever having to write a single line of code yourself. That's right. I'm talking about truly original apps that would normally take months to develop and thousands of dollars to outsource that you can now build literally out of thin air. Think cloud software, mobile apps, WordPress plugins, even entire SaaS companies. And all this without hiring developers, without waiting months for them to deliver, and without programming yourself. There's even a built-in store we provide where you can list your apps from day one with just one click. We call it the Kingmaker Store because it instantly turns anyone that publishes there into a true internet marketing authority, with magic sales happening on autopilot and traffic flooding 24/7. It's normally reserved for marketers with a proven track record, but as a customer of ProfitCode you get to skip the line and get published instantly. That's right, you're looking at free traffic once you publish, and we get you ranked there, millions of downloads and thousands of dollars worth of sales every single day. All that while we handle payments, delivery, and even support so you can relax and watch the sales roll in. We have 5 payment gateways integrated, including PayPal and Stripe, so money gets deposited straight to your account. How about getting paid by hungry businesses to develop apps for them? All companies need coders and custom-built projects now more than ever before. On top of that, imagine if you had access to this $1.10 trillion plus industry that is thriving in the current economy, so you could get virtually unlimited, untapped traffic 24/7 and sell any product or service. Selling apps trumps selling anything else online, physical products and affiliate offers included. So why would companies reach out to you? We know why, we've been in this business for decades. Now let us explain to you too. Finding reliable developers that will actually deliver your client's desired app within the projected time frame is literally impossible. Not to mention paying them thousands of dollars only to get subpar products and arrogant attitudes. Ugh, it used to be a nightmare. ProfitCode removes all obstacles that previously appeared in the software development process. Starting today you can wave goodbye to month-length waiting times, thousands of dollars wasted on shady developers, rebranding of existing apps sold as new, bad functionality, or struggling to do the programming yourself. And instead enjoy fully customized, unique apps built exactly as you requested. Ready in seconds. That's right, ProfitCode acts as your personal army of developers that works 24/7 to write any software tool you could think of. And that, my friend, is priceless to any company, online or offline business on earth. I was fortunate enough to be able to purchase an early copy of ProfitCode, and let me tell you, I've been blown away by how easy it was for me to get paid for writing and publishing cloud apps without having to hire a developer. It's all step by step, 100% newbie friendly, and the support the guys offer is unparalleled. It's not one of those software tools where you're left to figure everything out by yourself. Not to mention, it actually works. It freaking works. I'm banking $500 and $1,000 in daily sales left and right. I highly recommend this to anyone. When I first logged into ProfitCode, I couldn't believe how well the whole system works. I'm already signing clients left and right to my new software developer services. It's so easy, even a newbie like myself could do it with just a few clicks. Open ProfitCode, insert the client's requirements, and click the button to generate a full software. And boom, in 60 seconds you have your own money-making machine up and running. It's just a magical piece of software. I'm the biggest fan of ProfitCode. ProfitCode has enabled me to quit my job and become a full-time online entrepreneur. It's a dream come true for me as I'm able to be paid for creating the apps I've always dreamed to build but could never afford developers. The current price for ProfitCode is just insane. I've made it back within the first hour of using it. My advice is buy it before they realize and increase the price. ProfitCode has my highest recommendation. Using it is very simple even for a newbie like me. It only takes a minute using the step-by-step app creation wizard they have, and they show you how to do it with very newbie-friendly training. I've already made $1,650.39 in sales with ProfitCode. 10/10 from me. This is just incredible, guys. I'm finally able to live the dream internet, laptop lifestyle. Just today, I've used ProfitCode for 30 minutes and already got $231.15 in sales paid to me. ProfitCode is the best. I have to say I'm shocked at how well this works. I still can't believe my eyes. I've already earned more than $500 today just for signing up a client on Upwork from my iPhone. ProfitCode is the best software I've ever bought in my life. ProfitCode is a brand new cloud software that enables you to create jaw-dropping software tools in any niche using ChatGPT-Powered AI coders as your personal army of developers. You can sell these apps as your own on ClickBank, WarriorPlus, or JVisa. You've seen our proof above. This is the same software we've used to sell more than 250,000 total copies of our own products on WarriorPlus. But you can check the type of sales that happen there every single day yourself. You can make thousands every month just by listing there. This all sounds so good, you might be thinking, are these real apps? The answer, my friend, is yes. It's virtually impossible to distinguish between apps built with ProfitCode and apps where tens of developers work for months to write from scratch themselves. Let's suppose you could have a developer on speed dial that you can contact 24/7 asking for fresh apps in the hottest niches. And expect swift delivery times, high quality output and zero costs. Must be a joke, right? Not if the developer is called ProfitCode. Just one thing, he's less of a human and more like your super smart AI best friend, ready to help you with anything. ProfitCode saves you thousands of dollars a year in developer fees while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than anything that's ever come before. And it's a one-time fee. Meaning, while removing 100% of the obstacles. ProfitCode uses its own proprietary AI developers to create fresh new apps from scratch for you, and get them published in seconds. All fully in the cloud, no website, or hosting or coding skills required. We're the only software that builds real unique apps, that are 100% original and not PLR or resellers or rebranded old software. Software apps are so in demand right now, you'll find it hard to keep up with the demand. And that's because we're helping you publish those apps on ClickBank, WarriorPlus, or JVisa. You can also with one click go live on our Kingmaker App Store with traffic and sales included, delivery and support handled by us. And if you decide to build apps to sell to clients, local businesses are ready to pay thousands for apps that look much worse than what ProfitCode creates for you in seconds. We even give you case studies of how we've sold over $100,000 using it and how you can replicate the same. Create complex apps for local businesses and get paid just like you had a team of developers working for you. Charge other people by the hour to create their dream apps while the AI does all the coding. Sell packs of apps you can create in minutes on places like Fiverr or Upwork. Create apps for local businesses for free, then charge a monthly maintenance and hosting fee, while ProfitCode does all the work for you. Create apps for online businesses for free, then monetize them with ads. You get all the benefits of software creation, without any of the restrictions or downsides. With ProfitCode you're in full control, and with built-in end-to-end SSL encryption you're safe as well. Real, original software tools, it's impossible to distinguish between ProfitCode AI-built apps and developer-made apps. ProfitCode handles payments, delivery and even customer support. No hosting required, no website required. Mobile iOS and Android compatible, publish mobile apps directly to iOS App Store and Google Play Store. ProfitCode is life-changing. I'm so tired of BS apps that never work. I was skeptical when I bought this too. Boy was I wrong. This app is minting sales for me every day like clockwork. I don't have to do a thing. Just last week I got more than $1,000. That's more than what I'm getting at my job. As a retiree, I need a little side income to help me with my expenses. ProfitCode is exactly that and more. It's very simple to use. I just click a couple of buttons every day to build apps for my clients and I get paid for it. This is truly next level and they make it so simple to use even an old man like me can use it. Finally, a software that actually does what it says. The speed with which ProfitCode gets you set up and making money is unparalleled. I get raving reviews from clients, and it only takes me seconds to get thousands of dollars paid to me for using Apple and Google like my personal ATM just like that. I've already made back 1000x the cost of ProfitCode. I had my doubts, but was blown away by the quality of ProfitCode. There's tens of thousands of people using their apps and it's all just working. I never see downtime, my income increases insanely fast. I almost don't want to write this review so I can keep the ProfitCode secret for myself, haha. In all honesty, just get it, it will be the best decision you've ever made. As an expert marketer, I have never seen a system that's easier to use than ProfitCode. Guess what? It was helped me double my business nearly overnight. I'm seeing earnings every day from iPhone apps I can create with ProfitCode in minutes. It's lifetime income like never before. ProfitCode has revolutionized my business with just a few clicks, and it's so easy to use I can see myself moving all of my business over to them. Local businesses I work with are blown away by the quality of apps I can get for them with ProfitCode. If you ever tried working with so-called developers, you know what I'm talking about. They're slow, expensive, and at the end, the result is horrible and unusable. Well, enter ProfitCode. I pay one-time lifetime and then I get to charge my clients monthly for creating apps and maintaining them. It's perfect. The software just works at every level, from newbie to enterprise. Just use the built-in setup wizard and you can have your own software apps for yourself or local businesses minted in minutes. Just get it today and you'll be earning by tomorrow. I pitch ProfitCode to clients using the built-in commercial license for $500 to $1,000 each. I highly recommend ProfitCode to any marketer. Any internet marketer, regardless of the niche, who wants to make more money from launching their own software products or selling app development services to businesses. Anyone who always wanted to create their dream software product but didn't know where to start or couldn't afford it until now. Anyone looking to quit their 9-to-5, experience freedom and clear outstanding debt. Marketers who want to absolutely dominate marketplaces like JVZO, ClickBank and WarriorPlus. Marketers who want to be their own boss, get traffic, and make sales on demand whenever they need or want to. People who want to get started with selling their own products and want the best solution. Marketers who want to start their own agency of programmers and charge for projects by the hour. Smart marketers who want to leverage the huge need of local businesses for software products, but without having to do any work. This is something that anyone can do, yes, even complete newbies, as long as they take action and take advantage of this incredible opportunity. State-of-the-art software creator with no coding required, $997 value. Create unlimited apps from scratch using our army of AI developers, $997 value. ChatGPT-Powered AI coders write code for you 24/7, $997 value. You can now publish your dream software app today, $997 value. Real, original software tools, it's impossible to distinguish